Ninja blenders. With a powerful motor and excellent build quality, this amazingly versatile appliance can be a great addition to any kitchen. Be it on a professional level or simply making a fruit shake straight from frozen fruits or making soup for family dinner, everyone will surely love the Ninja blenders. To help our viewers decide which Ninja blender will be the perfect fit for their kitchen needs, we here at ReviewTube did our own research on what's currently the best one in the market, and we're glad to present you our top picks, so please stay tuned to find out. Now let's begin. At number 1 on our list is the Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender. This amazing blender goes beyond smoothies and frozen drinks with its combination of high-speed crushing and extraction that combines precision heat cooking. You'll be able to cook up soups and sauces down to creating concentrates for cocktails and flavored water. The Ninja Foodi is 8.8 inches in length by 7.9 inches in width and 17.9 inches in height. The Ninja Foodi weighs just under 5.5 pounds and can be a great companion on a hot summer day or simply to satisfy your cravings for a resort-style frozen drink, or those delicious fruit smoothies with its 14,000 peak watts of motor for that high-speed ice or frozen fruit crushing power. With the 800-watt heating and cooking element from Ninja Foodi, hosting a party can be fun and exciting. It can unlock and infuse flavors to craft cocktails and make soda waters, mixers, and a lot more. For those cocktail nights or to make a fast, smooth, creamy soup with matching melted cheese fondue and melted chocolate ganache, the Foodi comes with a 64-ounce glass pitcher with a 54-ounce max cold liquid capacity. Cleaning the Ninja Foodi is a breeze thanks to most of its parts being dishwasher safe, except for the glass pitcher, which has a turn and is non-stick coating. The Foodi itself has a heated clean program that cleans with a touch of a button. The Foodi comes with 12 preset Auto IQ smart programs to help make your favorite soups and smoothies and cocktails with a touch of a button. At number 2 is the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system with Auto IQ. This well-built blender is decent for multi-purpose use and can crush snow like ice for snow cones and make a well-blended smoothie. The Ninja Professional Plus is a step up from its predecessor, the Ninja's original professional kitchen system, when it comes to modern design and functionality based on a number of available blending programs you can use. The Ninja Professional Plus is 7.5 inches in length, 10 inches wide, and over 17.5 inches in height. The powerful blender's power-crushing blade has 1,400 peak capacity watts of professional power. Together with its total crushing pitcher, it has 72 ounces in capacity with 62 ounces of liquid capacity. It's perfect for large batches or perfectly crushed ice for making smoothies and frozen juices for the whole family. The Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system comes with a whole lot of attachments to take your blender experience to the next level. Like this 64-ounce processor bowl that provides precision power that you can chop your vegetables evenly, and it can even process up to 2 pounds of dough. It comes with 2 24-ounce additional jars with spout lids for that easy smoothie on the go. It comes with the Auto IQ program with 5 presets, making the Ninja Professional work for you with just a simple touch of a button. Overall, the Ninja Professional Plus is a great sturdy companion in your kitchen, and it's also super easy to clean thanks to the removable parts, and most of it can be placed on the top dishwasher rack as well. Now that's efficient and clean. Before we proceed, if you like the first 2 products we featured, let us know by leaving a comment below. Your comments and suggestions are important to us. Please also consider subscribing to our channel to see other products that we've reviewed. You might also consider clicking on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload our latest video. And now back to our list. At number 3 is the Ninja Professional Plus blender with Auto IQ. This impressive, well-built blender gives a modern new design compared to its Ninja original blender counterpart. It's great for home and professional use. The full-size blender is 6.5 inches in length, 9 inches in width, and 17.5 inches in height. The Ninja Professional's large 72-ounce crushing pitcher, 62-ounce max liquid capacity, combined with its 1,400 peak watt motor base and total crushing blades is perfect for those in-house margarita parties with you and your friends, or for making crushed flavored snow cones, or the trending Korean bingsu for the kids during summer breaks. It can even make a cold soup for dinner. It also comes with a recipe inspiration guide, a starter booklet, and an instruction booklet, so you won't have to worry about where to begin to find inspiration or what to cook for dinner. For fitness enthusiasts, you'll find the Ninja Professional's built-in 3 presets with Auto IQ programs where you can just touch the selected feature and the blender does the work for you, from making healthy fruit smoothies, blended protein shakes, and even healthy ice cream. The snug fit spout makes it easy for clean pouring into your favorite glass, and the lid fits tightly so you won't have to worry about it falling off. It locks firmly in place with its twist lock base and has low, medium, and pulse features for more controlled blending. Cleaning the blender is a breeze too with its removable parts, and some parts can be cleaned on the top of your dishwasher. At number 4 is the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor with Auto IQ. If you find yourself mostly in your kitchen these days and you're looking for a versatile, powerful food processor, then this might just be the one you're looking for. The processor is quick to assemble and can easily swap blades and discs. It's 7.3 inches in length, 10 inches in width, and 15.5 inches in height. You'll also love that the Ninja Professional Plus Food Processor also features a 1000 peak watt motor, which can easily puree or chop the toughest ingredients that you need to process. Ninjas even claim that it's the most powerful but priced lower than its competitors on the market. Its dedicated discs and blades can give you the most consistently sliced, precisely chopped, and evenly mixed results comparable to those of a restaurant. The Ninja Professional Food Plus also comes with an oversized 9-cup processing bowl, which is great for processing big batches and makes it easy to clean the sides during use. It locks snugly into place as well, so you won't have to worry about it being detached while in use, and it's easy to clean. Just a few drops of dishwashing soap is all that's needed for most of the parts, which are also dishwasher safe. The built-in 4IQ Auto Intelligent Preset programs of the Ninja Professional Plus help in making prep easy, from chopping to slicing, grating, pureeing, shredding, and dough making. It comes with 3 disc attachments for your various processing requirements and comes with tool holes for your fingers for easy handling. What do you think of our list so far? Are you excited to know what the last one is? Well, before we continue, if you have any products in mind you'd like to see us review next, just let us know by leaving them in our comments section and our research team can check them out. And now let's check out our final product. At number 5, we have the Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. With its 1200 peak watt smoothie bowl maker, you can make spoon-thick, Instagram-worthy smoothie bowls without ever adding additional liquid. The Ninja Smoothie Bowl Maker is 6.6 inches in length, 6.6 inches in width, and 10 inches high. It's similar and smaller than the traditional blender, but it's more powerful. The common frustration about blenders is the stalling and the consistent need to add more liquid to keep things moving while blending. But that's not a problem with the Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker. It has smart torque technology designed to power through and high-speed blend the thickest ingredients, and it never stalls, so you don't need to stir or shake. Perfect for that pure frozen fruit or vegetable smoothie and creamy almond or peanut spread. The nutrient extraction cup that's included helps for a better breakdown of ingredients, thus making your favorite smoothies more healthy because it still contains the vitamins and nutrients that it originally has. The Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker comes with 2 24-ounce extraction cups, a 14-ounce smoothie maker with built-in tamper, 2 lids, and a matching storage lid. The 2 included blender cups and 1 bowl is easy to take on the go or to store. There's also included to-go cups with lids. Automated programs are also built into the Ninja Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker with 4 Auto IQ preset programs, making smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads at just the touch of a button. Another thing to love about this blender is its super powerful suction cups, which help make it stable and stay put during blending. Well, that concludes our review for the top 5 Ninja blenders in the market today. We hope that we were able to help you choose the ideal blender for your kitchen. If you want to buy your chosen Ninja blender, check out the product details in the link in the description box below. For more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to keep you updated. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.